children? Are you fine? Do you know, children? School is a place where we learn many things. There are different kinds of schools. Today we are going to learn that. Chapter 9, My School. Friends, I study in Holy Cross School. This is my school. What is a school? School is a place where we learn many things like reading, writing, singing, etc. School is also a fun place. So children, now we can learn different kinds of school. Preschool. It includes playgroups and kindergartens. Preschool includes playgroups and kindergartens. Preschools prepare them for primary school. So, preschool prepare children for primary school. Next, playgroups. Mostly, children join the school at the age of 2 years. They start with playgroups where they play with other toddlers. Children join the school at the age of 2 years. They start with playgroups where they play with other toddlers. So, children start with playgroups. And in playgroups, they play with other toddlers. Kindergarten. After playgroups, children will go to kindergartens. Here they start learning alphabets. In kindergarten, children will start learning alphabets. Next, primary school. After kindergarten, they go to primary school. Primary school is from standard 1st to 5th. So, after kindergarten, children will go to primary school. Primary school is from standard 1st to 5th. Secondary school. Secondary school is from standard 9 to 10. Secondary school is from standard 9 to 10. Higher secondary school. After 10th standard, children will go to higher secondary school. So, after 10th standard, children will go to higher secondary school. Now, we can learn types of school again. First, primary school. From standard 1st to 5th. Primary school, standard 1st to 5th. Second, higher primary school. Standard 6th to 8th. Higher primary school, standard 6th to 8th. Third, secondary school. Standard 9 to 10. Secondary school, standard 9 to 10. Higher secondary school, standard 11 to 12. Higher secondary school, standard 11 to 12. These are the types of schools. Now we can learn good manners. We need to follow in school. A good manners shows how we are. First, do not make noise in the class. Children, you should not make noise in the class. You should keep silent while taking the class. Do not pick up and keep things and belonging of your classmates. Children, you should not take your classmates' belongings. Do not bully any child. Children, you should not bully any child. Bully means tease. You should not tease any child. Throw waste in the dustbin. Children, you should throw waste in the dustbin. Instead of throwing here and there, put the waste in the dustbin. Always wish your teachers. You should wish your teachers. Be polite to everyone in school. Children, you should be polite in school. With every new standard, the children will learn more and more things. Hope you understand this. Next we can move to celebrating together. When is the Children's Day? November 14. November 14 is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on November 14, 1889. So, our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was born on November 14, 1889. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. We celebrate some important days in school like Annual Day, Sports Day, Teachers' Day, Children's Day. The school organizes competition, quizzes and games. The teachers and children have a lot of fun and enjoy themselves on Sports Day. Children take part in sports events. Children have many music and dance programs on Annual Day. We celebrate Teachers' Day on September 5 every year. We greet and thank our teachers on this day. September 5 is the birthday of our first Vice President of India. Who is the first Vice President of India? Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He is the first Vice President of India and second President of India. His birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day. September 5 is the Teachers' Day. We celebrate Children's Day on November 14 every year. We also celebrate national festivals like Independence Day on August 15th. We celebrate Independence Day on August 15th. India got independence on August 15th, 1947. And Republic Day on January 26 every year. We celebrate Republic Day on January 26 every year. We hoist the national flag and sing the national anthem on these days. Now let's learn the important days again. Children's Day, November 14. Teachers' Day, September 5. Independence Day, 15 August. Republic Day, 26 January. Once again, Children's Day, November 14. Teachers' Day, September 5. Independence Day, 15 August. Republic Day, 26 January. These are the important days. Next we can learn exercise. Mark a tick for correct statement and a cross for incorrect statements. First, you should litter the classroom with bits of papers. This sentence is wrong. So, mark cross. Second, it is good to share your lunch with your classmates. Correct. So, put tick mark. Third, Teachers' Day is celebrated on August 4. Wrong. Put cross mark. 4. We should always wish our teachers. Correct. Put tick mark. 5. A primary school is from class 1 to 5. Correct. Put tick mark. Next, complete the flow chart. Types of schools. You have to write types of schools in your textbook. First is preschool. Then primary school. Then higher primary. Secondary. Higher secondary. These are the types of schools. Once again, preschool. Primary. Higher primary. Secondary. Higher secondary. Write this in the textbook. Next, answer the following questions. First, write any 3 things you learn in your school. Answer: reading, writing, singing. Write any 3 things you learn in your school. Answer: reading, writing, singing. Second, write any 4 important days you celebrate in your school. Answer: Teachers' Day, Sports Day, Children's Day, Independence Day. Once again, write any 4 important days you celebrate in your school. Answer: Teachers' Day, Sports Day, Children's Day, Independence Day. So, once again, answer the following questions. You should write in your textbook. Write any 3 things you learn in your school. Answer: reading, writing, singing. Second, write any 4 important days you celebrate in your school. Answer: Teachers' Day, Sports Day, Children's Day, Independence Day. Hope you understand this chapter and exercise. Next we can do the activity. Hello children, this is your activity. Prepare my school album. Take paper or chart, fold like this way. Cut any one side. And fold it. Cut the side and fold. Fold like this way, you have to fold. See? Then Level the sides. Level the sides. This is our album. You have to write my school that I will show. Can you see this? I wrote my school and gave designs and wrote the name of the school, Purnodaya Vidyaniketan, and stick the picture of the school. Then principal room. Next page, classroom, and stick the picture. Like this way you can prepare my school album. Once again I will show. Cut the paper and make a book and stick the pictures of the rooms in your school. Can you see? You can make this album beautiful as you like. This is our school album. Our activity. Hope you will do this. Children, our home task is read the textbook, write the exercise in textbook and do the activity, and also write answer the following in notebook. You have to learn all this. So hope you will do. See you in the next class. Thank you.
Purnodaya Vidyaniketan.